The recent tweet by the Honorable HRD Minister, Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal, has been the topic of hot discussion among the students in the academic fraternity. He said that UGC must conduct the exams of terminal classes in order to build the academic credibility. The UGC, who has visited its earlier guidelines related to examinations of the colleges and universities, and it has decided to conduct the examination of exit classes, whereas for intermediate classes, it has been decided to promote them on the basis of their past performance and internal assessment. On the other hand, Captain Amarinder Singh, Chief Minister Punjab, cancelled all the exams of universities and colleges in the state of Punjab because of the deteriorating condition due to coronavirus. He has written a letter to the union government that it is not possible for the state to conduct the exams of the students in the present crisis. He said that we cannot risk the health of our students and therefore a pragmatic approach must be adopted. He asserted that UGC should go by its earlier guidelines of April 29 to let states decide on the issue. Punjab Higher Education Minister has also requested to re-examine the revised guidelines issued by the Ministry of HRD and UGC. Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, Mr. Manish Sisodia, cancelled all exams in the state universities of Delhi due to the present crisis. Mamata Banerjee, Chief Minister of West Bengal, has also written to the Prime Minister over the UGC directive of final exams by saying that it will adversely impact the interests of the students. The same concern has also been shown by the governments of Maharashtra, Haryana and Himachal Pradesh. However, it is beyond understanding why UGC is adamant on conduct of examination of exit classes. If the students of intermediate classes can be promoted keeping in view the past performance and internal assessment, then why not the same formula can be applied on the final year students? They have the better statistical base for providing the average formula in comparison to the intermediate students. Moreover, the practical conditions are not at all conducive for the conduct of examination. The hostels of the colleges and universities have been got vacated by the state governments for turning them into isolation centers. It is not possible for the students to travel from far away places regularly for the purpose of their exams. The parents in such a state of affairs are in dilemma to allow their wards to stay in PGs or some other places. The students are in great confusion and under great stress because of the prevailing situation. It is agreed that exams are the best criteria for academic credibility, but the alarming situation demands otherwise from us. Our system of education is not that mature that it can handle online examination at all places. So, instead of making a mockery of the system, UGC must hear the voice of the large number of students, academicians and state governments. It is extremely unfair to conduct exams during the COVID-19 pandemic. Exams should be cancelled and students should be promoted on the basis of their past performance along with the internal assessment. Yes, they can be given opportunity to appear in the exams if they wish so to improve their grades after the situation gets normal. It is high time that UGC must be proactive to decide immediately, keeping in view the current situation. If so many states are reluctant to carry on the process of examination, then who will shoulder the responsibility of the health and safety of the young students of the country? So my humble request to Honorable HRD Minister, to Chairman UGC, to Secretary UGC, that we should take a fresh stock of the situation and decide immediately to promote the exit class students in order to save their career, in order to make them stress free, in order to make them completely ensure that yes, their career and health is important for us. Thank you very much.